Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to start an LLC in Minnesota. Minnesota LLC Formation Guide. So let's get started. So now I'm going to walk you through the 7 steps to start an LLC in Minnesota. But I'll be honest, it can get complicated, so I recommend using a service like Northwest Registered Agent, which handles everything for only $39. The link is in the description if you want to skip all the steps and get it done fast. So now let's go to the first step. So the first step is to choose a name for your LLC that follows Minnesota state guidelines. Your name must include LLC or limited liability company and be unique from other business names already registered in the state. So now to check the name's availability, we will now use the Minnesota name search tool. So all you have to do is go to google.com and from here search for Minnesota name search tool. And from here click on this link right here. It is from Minnesota Secretary of State. So just click here. And then from here, all you have to do is click here on online business services. And now from here, all you have to do now is just type the name of your business right here. Make sure to include LLC or limited liability company and see if the name is available. And now step 2, which is to hire a registered agent. Next, you'll need a registered agent. This is the person or company that handles legal documents on your behalf. They need to be available during business hours. And if you don't want your personal information to be in public, use a service like Northwest Registered Agent, which includes a registered agent for free for 1 year when you form your LLC through them. Next is step 3, file the articles of organization. Now you need to file your articles of organization with Minnesota Secretary of State. It costs $155 if you file online or $135 by mail. You'll also need to decide whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed. You can do this with Northwest if you form your LLC through Northwest. Most people will choose member managed. And now step number 4, create an operating agreement. While not legally required in Minnesota, an operating agreement is highly recommended. This document lays out how your LLC will be run and helps avoid future disputes between members. You can use a template or Northwest can provide one as part of their service. Step number 5, get an EIN. You'll need an employer identification number or EIN from the IRS to open a business bank account and file taxes. The good news is it's free and it's easy to get online. Now step number 6, obtain required licenses and permits. Depending on your business type, you might need certain licenses and permits to operate legally in Minnesota. Be sure to check state, local, and federal requirements. And now finally, step number 7, file your annual renewal. Finally, you must file an annual renewal with the state of Minnesota by December 31st of every year. There is no fee, but missing it could result in your LLC being dissolved. So yeah, that is basically how you can start an LLC in Minnesota. So if you want to skip all the paperwork and have the professionals handle everything for you, use Northwest Registered Agent. It's only $39 and they'll even include the registered agent service for free for 1 year. Check the link in the description and you'll have your LLC set up in no time. Thank you for watching.